Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add templates on our Notion. And for that you need to open up your Notion account. After that you will be able to see templates on the left hand side panel. Just click on it and then choose the template of your choice. There are plenty of them, and choose one of them as per your choice. And after that just click on get template, and you can also review them or preview them by just clicking on them. So just suppose you want to have a template of course schedule, then you can just select it and preview it, and if it is suitable to you then just click on get template and you will have it. Wait for it to load, and then you can make changes as per your choice. If you want to change the date, you can easily change it, and this is how you can change almost every single thing on this template and make it as per your requirements. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.